properly done, it is going to eliminate a lot of current jobs. That's true. We can make much better ones.
Thinking about AI for a long time, since I was in college, really. It was one of the things that, the sort of 4 or 5 things I thought would really affect the future dramatically.
Almost every decent researcher I know believes that in the long run it'll get more intelligent than us. It's not going to stop at our intelligence.
On the meteoric rise of artificial intelligence. Are you scared?
We're all scared that a bad guy could grab it.
There are no programmers in 5 years.
Artificial intelligence is a term that's thrown around these days that it's easy to think we live in a sci-fi movie. Other terms that you probably came across are machine learning, neural networks, natural language processing, and computer vision. And some of these terms seem more related to humans than computers. Learning and natural language are things considered to differentiate us from everyone else. So what is AI? At its very core, it's just advanced math. Everything is based on linear algebra, calculus, and probabilities. The name of the game is minimizing a loss function. The only things that are changing are the data and the algorithms. Let me explain. To visualize this in a simplified way, normally a computer is given input X and a set of instructions. In our case, we will denote these instructions performed with F and returns output Y. On the other hand, how most AI models are trained works quite differently. Here the computer is given the input X, which can be many things, the expected output, and the general architecture of the function, which can be linear, a neural network, or even a transformer. In this case, the computer is tasked with finding the parameters of the function. So the parameters are initialized randomly and the machine makes a prediction. Then the predicted output is compared with the expected output using a loss function. And as you might guess, we want the predicted output to match our expectations. The result of the loss function is then used to tune the parameters using a learning algorithm, so that we can improve future predictions. So what's up with the recent boom in AI? In 2017, Google released a research paper, Attention is All You Need, based on which the transformer was introduced. So what changed? Before transformers, we had recurrent neural networks, which were able to understand the temporal aspect of data. The problem was that the context length they could take in before their gradients would explode was small. On the other hand, the transformer can capture the true meaning of context due to its attention mechanism, with an increased context length. Even though this is very cool, I guess we can all agree that human intelligence is much more than understanding the context we are in and being able to solve a problem based on some rules. I attribute this frenzy about AI to the fact that these technologies that were known only to the experts were brought to the public with things like ChatGPT and Stable Diffusion. About the future of AI, at this point, everything is speculation.